Et salut à tous, c'est Kenzo et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le 13e épisode du let's play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. Bon, je sais ça fait un petit moment que je devais faire cet épisode mais bon, j'ai pas trop eu le temps et en plus j'étais plus pris par les news qu'il y a eu durant le mois de mai avec Rockstar Games. On a eu plein de nouvelles, hein. Déjà le 2 mai on a le report de GTA 6 est annoncé. Et après 4 jours après, sans prévenir personne, ils sortent un trailer et 150 images, voilà. Déjà le trailer 2 il est magnifique, hein. Vraiment le trailer 2, waouh. Je le regardais, allez, déjà presque 40 fois depuis sa sortie, hein. Il est juste magnifique.
Stick 'em up, cowboy.
Yeah, real funny, Dutch.
Oh, I thought so. So, here we are in a strange land of papists and rapists. America's very own Gomorrah.
Yeah, cities all look the same to me. So, how you get on?
I've been asking around about Mr. Bronte. From what I've heard, this establishment is our best lead, but I haven't had any joy in there so far.
So, I should just give it a shot?
I think so. Just keep it cool.
You know me?
I'll meet you back here anon.
Waouh. Pourquoi il y a eu un blanc quand je suis arrivé?
Hey, can I get a drink here?
That's why we love it.
Born and raised.
Ah mais je veux boire moi.
I'm sorry. Please excuse me. I seem to have some very impatient customers. Now, how can I help? You look like a whiskey man.
Sure.
Dollar, please.
For a whiskey?
Oh, that's the real stuff. From Scotland.
Okay. Here, have one for yourself.
Well, thank you.
So, mister, can I ask you a question? You ever hear of a fella by the name of Bronte?
Who's asking?
Me. I'm asking.
No, leave it, friend.
What do you mean, leave it?
Look, I don't know what business you in, but leave it, friend. You and your pal that was in here before.
Bronte? Angelo Bronte. Mr. Big, Mr. Italian, spaghetti-eating, long streaker piss big. He makes my skin crawl. I'm so swarthy, cocksucker. You know what I mean, friend?
Where can I find him?
Oh, well, I reckon you talk to them kids in the alley, they'll know, I guess.
Ne vous inquiétez pas les gars, je connais ce bar. Ah merde. Attends. Bon, on va tenter. Voilà. Ah c'est magnifique ces petits quartiers là de Saint-Denis. Avec la verdure.
Hey, you got a cigarette, mister?
Maybe.
Huh?
I'm looking for a fellow named Angelo Bronte. Italian.
I know him. Everyone knows him.
Where is he?
We'll take you to him. What it'll cost?
I reckon I can pay.
$5.
Where's he live? New York?
I'm an entrepreneur. If you don't want to pay, then I don't want to walk.
That's about right. Here. Come on.
This way. Let's go, mister. You coming, Cleet? Stay close. Easy to get lost around here. Come on, then. Now over here's a real piece of art. That's the Church of the Holy Blessed Virgin, mister. Modeled on the famous church in Toulouse, which is in France. You been to Toulouse, mister?
No.
We're Catholics here, mister. Ain't Baptist or nothing.
My mama said they used to burn Protestants and all, but we all friends now. Isn't that the most beautiful testament to God's love for us all?
Bet they don't have nothing so fine where you come from, mister. Look at them fine steeples.
Ah l'enculé, oh le salaud. Ah ok, j'ai perdu 4000 $. Bon bah... Et vous pensez que je vais laisser s'échapper hein? C'est pas possible.
You after that kid? That other shit went that way.
Thanks for the help, friend.
You know, I kind of miss old Bob Tails.
I know. Hey, you see a kid about 14 years old run through here?
Why, yes, we did. He went around the corner.
You better stop right now. Hey! Moron!
Hi, mister.
J'enfonce. Eh mais enfonce la... Eh mais allez.
Good morning, mister. Hey, Big Love! Get lost! I said, get lost! You're making a fool of yourself!
Oh je le rattrape.
Thieving bastard!
You ain't got a chance in hell, slowpoke!
Et tous les jours je le plaquais.
Back here!
I'm being chased by the village idiot!
Just give it up, kid! Oh my lord! Look!
Et non, vous voulez pas provoquer lui. Je voulais l'insulter. Je voulais l'insulter là avec les... le gosse, mais bon. Je connais le coup des oranges. C'est mon coup ça. Ouf.
What's
Oh
wrong, friend?
merde.
Give me my things, boy!
What are you talking about, friend?
I ain't your friend, but that kid is, and he robbed from me. Now give me back my stuff and take me to Angelo Bronte.
Senor Bronte.
That kid was gonna show me before he robbed me. Now, come on,
You new in town, mister?
come on.
Mr. Bronte's got a lot of friends, mister, but I ain't never seen you.
We ain't friends.
You don't like no one, mister. Mr. Bronte, he's got fine hair. He got a beautiful house, and I am proud to work for him. He got 50 men, mister. Why he gonna care a thing about you?
I just want to speak with him.
I'm sure you do, mister. You and them friends of yours been asking about him all over town. He been mighty disrespected. Bunch of muddy Yankees in town asking questions. Well, you and your friend should pay him a visit, mister. He's got a big house on Flavian Street opposite the park.
Hey, yokel.
Now, get out of here.
Voilà, j'ai récupéré l'argent. Oh le pauvre, un mendiant, je vais lui donner de l'argent.
Yes, please. Coin, please.
Go get yourself something to eat.
Coin. Sir, I want you to have this.
Thanks, friend.
Merci.
Where you been?
Getting robbed?
Who by?
Bunch of children.
I won't inquire anymore.
But I found Mr. Bronte. Seems to be some Italian Mr. Big in town. Everybody knows him, but nobody wants to talk about him. Apparently lives in a big house on Flavian Street, opposite the park.
Good work.
So what now?
We go pay him a visit. I'll get John, you meet us there. Whatever it takes, we need to get that boy back.
Si, acheter de nouvelles armes. Vous savez quoi, on va aller dépouiller le magasin, on va même se faire un nouveau vêtement.
I cannot decide which I like less. The swamps or the city. Both are full of parasites, reptiles, and slime. We're a long way east of land we know, and far from real open country.
Puis comment sinon tout ce qui est provision, nourriture. Ouais, ça va, je vais survivre. Bon, la carte. Voilà, regardez, il y a une écurie là-bas. On va aller voir de suite ce qu'il y a. Si mon cheval veut bien venir. Parce que celui-là, je vais le revendre hein, de la foulée. Ouais, avec moi, il n'y a pas de petites. Avec moi, $1 est $1. Hein. Acheter un cheval. Ah bah c'est lui le meilleur, c'est le pur sang arabe. Hein. Après, on peut l'avoir gratuitement, mais bon. De même couleur. Mais bon, j'ai un peu la flemme d'aller le chercher. Là, je sais qu'il est loin en plus. Hein. Alors l'autre on l'avait appelé Trevor, celui-là on va l'appeler Nico Bellic parce que les gars, d'après Testu, la remaster GTA 4 qui devrait sortir en cette fin d'année. Testu c'est le même mec qui avait annoncé Red Dead Redemption 2 sur PC, Red Dead Redemption 1 sur PC l'année dernière pour au même moment, c'est la même période. Ah tenez regardez ça. J'ai des puissants, moins 50%. On va prendre la plus chère. Hein. Oh ça c'est cool ça. Ouais c'est ça qui va ça fait un peu plus beau. Donc ça ouais. J'ai acheté des trucs qui servent strictement à rien mais bon. C'est quoi les services? Ensemble de sang, renommer le cheval. Non, c'est bon. On va acheter des carottes, des pommes. On est un réanimateur donc ça c'est bon, ça sera. Voilà. En fait, quand tu l'achètes, t'as directement le lien d'affection qui est créé donc. Allez, on va aller à l'armurerie. Je sens que mec, ce cheval il va me changer la vie hein, parce que là c'est bon, ça devait faire allez, presque 10 heures de jeu, plus 10 heures de jeu que j'étais avec l'autre. Allez, on va fêter le catalogue. J'ai envie de m'acheter une nouvelle paire de revolvers, les gars. Oh, j'ai pas débloqué le revolver le mat? Non, je l'ai pas débloqué, je le voulais. Bon, c'est pas grave, on va prendre la carabine Evans, c'est bien pour commencer. C'est bonne comme carabine. Oh, on va l'améliorer un peu. On va améliorer la portée avec les rayures, la mire en fer pour la précision. Une lunette, ça améliore la portée de la lunette. Okay. Je crois que ça sert à rien, mais bon, j'ai quand même pris le plus cher. Donc les protections, ça. Ça fait en sorte que l'arme s'abîme moins rapidement en fait. Elle soit moins sale. La chemise. Voilà, chemise de soirée française. Ouais. Ouais, tu l'avais en blanc. Ah, mais je l'ai déjà en blanc. Parfait. Oh, bah. Un petit contraste avec le en noir là, comme ça, c'est pas mal. Et les bottes. Bottes de fine gâchette. Oh ouais, elles sont pas mal. Hein. Je vais les prendre. Ouais, comme ça. Ouais. Ah ouais, je préfère tellement la cravate là. Ouais, on fait une petite teinte genre jaune d'or là.
There you are.
You boys ready?
Of course. What else do you know about this guy?
Not much, just he's some slick little greasy-haired European who's clearly got power and money. Now, listen. If we go in there and start shooting up the place, boy's gonna get shot, that I guarantee. Fella like this is gonna have a lot of protection.
Ain't no one gonna get shot, Arthur, so everyone just relax. We'll charm them. Trust me. This the place?
Must be.
You okay, John?
I guess.
Excuse me, sir. We have an appointment to see Mr. Bronte.
Who are you?
You get your boss down here and now so we can talk about this like gentlemen. Run along now, boy.
Was that the special Dutch charm I heard so much about?
Relax. I got this. Don't worry, boys. We come in peace. We just need to straighten a couple of things out with your boss.
Chi sono sti buffoni?
Sono qui per Picciotto.
Coi soldi?
Why do you take his son?
Excuse me.
I said, why did you take his son? We ain't got no problems with you, sir. Nor you with us. But if you want to start one, there's gonna be a lot of folks dead in this room before it's done.
So, you walk into my city, stinking of shit and looking like this, and you come into my house before you have a bath and you tell me how to act? You ask me to show compassion. Have I not shown you almost infinite compassion already by simply allowing you to breathe in my presence?
Indeed you have. Now, we are simple country folk. All we have is each other. And you have gone and you have took his son over some dispute with some inbred ex-slavers. It ain't got nothing to do with any one of us.
You had nothing to do with destroying the liquor business!
We was innocent bystanders. And that which we weren't innocent of, well, we most surely were ignorant of.
You twist words, you lie shamelessly. You think you are better than everyone else. Ti adoro. Date davvero sti uomini. Angelo Bronte.
Dutch Vanderlyn. Arthur Morgan.
The pleasure is mine.
John Marston.
All mine, please.
So, can my friend have his son?
Of course, of course. But should I be out of pocket over a misunderstanding? Of course I know you would not want that, huh?
No.
No. So, how about this? You perform a simple job for me, and you get your son back.
What is it?
A couple of people have taken to grave robbing in this cemetery.
Well, that is a fine place for it, the best.
I love this guy. I love you. See, they've taken not only to desecrating the dead, but they've done so without paying a tribute to the living. Thing is, they see my men, of course they run a mile. So maybe you two head off, huh? And you, Mr. Van der Linde, you tell me more about my manners. Salute.
Salute.
On est de nuit à Saint-Denis, là c'est magnifique les gars.
Okay, boy. Let's go.
All right, let's go. Yeah,
You know where the cemetery is?
I think so. Pretty sure I rode by it earlier. It's real impressive.
You know, you did good holding your tongue in there.
Do you trust one word that comes out of that bastard's mouth? We don't even know where Jack is.
Listen, we found Bronte. We got in there. Dutch is with him now. All things considered, it could have gone a lot worse.
That poor kid. I ain't been a good father to him. I hope he's okay.
He'll be fine. I figured the Braithwaites were going to hold Jack ransom for all the money we cost. They must have sent him here so we couldn't get to him. But Bronte knows by now there's no Braithwaites left to pay him. Jack ain't much use to him anymore. Let's just get this done. Let Dutch handle the rest.
I just hope you're right.
Attends, on va s'équiper comme il faut. On va prendre fusil à pompe et carabine Evans. Oh, l'ambiance avec la brume et tout, oh, c'est magnifique, ça fait peur mais j'adore moi.
This way.
J'y vais à ma courir. Un chien.
There, boy. Someone's here somewhere. Come on.
Je t'en ai bruit. Oh, ok. Juste un alcoolique. Ah, là-bas. Il y a encore du bruit. J'espère que c'est pas un troll. Mais il y a beaucoup de bruit là. Je me demande ce qui se passe. Avec la musique en plus. Là, je vous dis là les gars, depuis qu'on a atteint le chapitre 4, c'est vraiment On est vraiment dans le jeu à avoir pris une nouvelle dimension. Tu ne sais pas ce que tu fous. Mais... Oh, j'ai des fusils à pompe. Là. Oh putain, dans mon dos. Ah, il y a plus de tête. Encore un.
Think there might be something in here. Got it.
Good. Now let's get out of here.
Ok, les représentants de la loi qui seraient bons.
Let's go. Maybe we can get out that gate. Locked. Let's just track back to where we came in. Damn it.
Ok, bon, moi. Voyez, indiscrétion. J'ai tout comme la jouer furtif. Oh putain, y'a un mec. Il est super qu'il va bouger. Hein. Putain mais allez, pourquoi je suis bloqué? Mais putain mais... Non. C'est un troll. Putain mais... Juan il arrête pas de me rentrer dedans. Mais putain mais c'est qui ce mec? Il me troll. Je vais récupérer mes couteaux moi. On va en récupérer deux. Putain ce mec me troll quoi, c'est pas possible, il me fait de ses esquives. Alors je sais que je suis pas bon au couteau de lancer, mais là putain mais... Il m'a mis deux esquives. Et putain mais Arthur. Pas le con. Mais vas-y. Vas-y c'est bon il se tire là. Ok ça on se fasse par... Et on se casse par là. Moi je reste pas là.
Things around here get back to him pretty fast. Like I said, we'll just see where we're at once we got Jack.
Come on, Arthur.
Well, you took your time.
Jack,
where's your host?
Like I said, you took your time.
I'm glad to see you.
Let's get going. What a fine man. Hey, friend, thank Mr. Bronte for everything.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Come on.
You know, Arthur, Mr. Bronte has invited us to a garden party at the mayor's house. And us, just simple country boys. Let's go. We have a new camp set up there. You're gonna love it.
Allez.
All right, let's get this boy back to his mother.
You sure you're okay, son?
I'm fine. Papa Bronte said you'd come for me.
I'm sorry.
What for?
For that. For taking so long.
I had a fun time. I had my own room with a big bed and a toy box. And lots of books.
What's that?
It's food. It looks like worms, but it's delicious.
Is that right?
Papa Bronte teach me lots of Italian words.
Don't call him that, please.
You know, caballo? That means horse. And pantafola? That's a slipper.
A slipper?
They gave me 2 pairs. One for day and one for night.
Well, I'm just glad you're all right.
Oh, yes. I had the best time. But I can't wait to see Mama.
Ça va être un mec réglo sur Angelo Bronte.
Sure did. Like you wouldn't know.
You had a nice night then?
Most enjoyable. Well, the man's an intolerable blowhard, but he stocks a fine bar. How did you fellers get on? Any problems?
A whole heap of them. We about doubled the population of that graveyard.
You know, I thought I heard gunshots, but the gramophone was playing.
Unbelievable.
Each to their strengths, Arthur. I went in there with a gun and left with a party invitation.
So, what'd you say this was? A garden party?
A big gala at the mayor's house. I'm told every rich fool in Lemoyne will be there.
Bronte?
Oh, he'll be there too. Seems to more or less run this city. At least that's the way he sees it.
Hey, they're back! I think I see Jack!
Abigail! Abigail! We got you, your son, everything.
We got him!
Mama!
He's fine!
I'm fine, Mama. They fed me good. Italian food. You ever eat that?
Come here, you silly boy. You got him. You got my son back. Dutch, Arthur, thank you. Thank you. I got my son back!
Jack. How are you, boy?
I'm fine, thanks.
Everything's okay now. Abigail?
Can I go play now?
So,
Well, we met Mr. Bronte. He is quite a character.
is he now?
You ever meet an Italian strong man before?
Not outside of a circus.
Well, let me tell you all about him. John, you go be with your family. Arthur, thank you. Boys, we got some work to do. Interesting work. But first, let's have a drink. We got Jack back!
Well, the boy's safe, thank goodness.
Thank you,
Everyone seems happy.
Arthur. I don't know how to say it. Thank you.
I understand. Come on. Do as Dutch says. Go be with your family.
Oh, ça a gagné un peu d'argent. Très bien. Une fête?
How about a song? Javier, play us away.
Juste un...
No se lo des a nadie, cielito lindo que a mí me toca. Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo los corazones. Ay, 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 ay. Canta y no llores, porque cantando se alegran, cielito lindo los
C'est tout? C'est tout? J'ai bu un whisky, une bouteille de whisky, il y a eu que... Ouais, c'est bon, je me casse, hein. C'est quoi cette merde?
My dear Arthur,
Ah, mais c'est Maui.
finds you well. I wanted to thank you for your help with Jamie.
He and Daddy are still arguing, but I understand that Jamie is thinking about going back to college. Whatever happens, I believe you saved his life, and we are all truly grateful. Oh, Arthur, I have made such a mess of my life, time and again. Why can I not change and be the woman I want to be? Why couldn't you change and be a man and put down all those fantasies that shroud your judgment? Life is very confusing, and I see now that I am not very good at it. I'm afraid we've got ourselves into another mess. It's not my fault, but I need your help. I'm staying at the Hotel Grand in Saint Denis. Oh, Arthur, I know it is wrong to ask you, but I have nobody else, and for what we once had together, I beg of you, even though I am ashamed to do so. Yours, Mary.
Deuxième lettre, je pense qu'il y en a 3 parce que comme 203. On va améliorer tout ce qui est fortifiant. Ah, il peut fabriquer des améliorations pour votre sacoche. Oh, ça m'intéresse. La carte, alors la carte les gars, elle est super utile. En fait la carte, ça va nous permettre de faire des voyages rapides. Dès qu'on fait un camp, ça va nous permettre de faire un voyage rapide et ça c'est cool. De ma poche. En tout cas sur la contribution. L'humeur générale est à présent meilleure. Parfait.
Hello, Mary Beth.
How are you, Arthur?
Fine. How are you?
Well, I'm well, I think. It's been quite a run we've had, but we're still alive.
So, no regrets?
Regrets for what?
Well, for joining this band of maniacs.
If you're a girl without means in this world, life is very scary. You boys cared for me before no one cared for me. Well, life weren't very nice, Arthur. Not after Mama got typhoid, and that was a long time ago.
Sure.
What about you? I heard you ran into that Mary girl.
Yep.
And?
Got me thinking how that all ended. Long time ago now.
What happened?
Well, she didn't love me enough, I guess. Or I wouldn't change.
Huh. Well, she was a fool then, Arthur.
Well, she put a lot of good years in on an outlaw. She definitely was a fool.
In these books, life seems so simple, but in reality, I can't make head nor tail of it.
Mr. Morgan! Mr. Morgan, we have a problem. A real problem. It's Tilly.
What?
She's been taken by them Foreman brothers she used to run with. Come along!
The Foreman brothers? What are they doing here?
Well, I don't know what they've been doing here, but I can tell you what they're going to be doing here. Dying.
Sure. Do we need more guns?
You and I can handle this, Arthur.
Where are we heading?
I'll tell you on the way. Just get going.
Ah mais oui, le Foreman c'est le gars qu'on avait vu au tout début du jeu hein, dans la ville de Valentine. Il avait déjà quelques problèmes avec Tilly. Une sombre ruelle là, je m'en souviens.
You told Dutch?
No. She spoke to me in confidence. I suppose I didn't think it would be a problem.
And now it is.
Oh, yes.
What do they want with her anyway? I think I saw one of the Foremans hassling her and Valentine.
Ah ouais, c'est ce que j'ai dit. C'est ce que j'avais dit. Oh les musiques. Non mais la bande son du jeu est juste excellente. Hein. Oh, rien dans le cimetière, c'était magnifique aussi. Surtout regardez-moi ces paysages quoi. Et dire que GTA 6 c'est beaucoup plus beau que ça.
I think there's a guard.
I'll deal with him.
Whoa. What you want?
Qu'est-ce que tu veux, toi?
Now get out of here.
Attends, ouais. Attends. Qu'est-ce que... On l'assaut. J'ai vraiment pas peur, le mec a vraiment laissé 2 canons vraiment au milieu, au plein milieu de mon thorax. Il tire, je suis fini, hein. Je suis coupé en 2. Ok, c'est comme ça que ça se passe, ok. Ah, je me souviens de cette musique, c'est la musique du trailer de gameplay du... Mais... Je vais pas te tuer. Bon bah... Tu me l'as obligé, je voulais pas le tuer à la base, je voulais juste le... Oh putain! Oh! Elle est là. Je voulais voir s'il y avait d'autres trucs à prendre.
I
thought there was...
It don't matter what you thought, it's okay. All right, let's go.
Oh, come along, miss. Thank you, both of you.
What happened?
It was Anthony Foreman. He thinks he owns me.
I remember. Where is he?
He went out hunting or something. There were 5 of them, I think.
Well, we killed those fellas there.
There they are.
Come on.
Tilly, grab that gun. Anyone approaches, shoot them.
Oh, don't worry, I'll be just fine. Now catch that bastard. The one in front of the ball. Bring him back alive. I ain't done with him yet.
All right, get after them. Here, straight ahead. I saw him go through those bushes. Oh, you're gonna pay. All of you.
Oh, la musique nostalgie, ça. Je peux vous le dire, les gars, le trailer de gameplay de Red Dead Redemption 2, je l'ai saigné, hein. Je l'avais saigné. Ah, c'est pas tiré, faut tout faire soi-même ici. Hein. Putain, mais il est costaud, lui.
Don't kill him yet. I want Tilly to have the last word on this bastard.
Stay away from me. I'm warning you.
Il est trop loin. Cheval de merde aussi qu'on me donne.
You're making a big mistake.
Là, c'est bon. Je l'ai.
That's it. Now make sure you tie him up real good.
You son of a bitch.
Quick, before he gives you the slip.
Make these nice and tight.
All right, you bring that bastard back to Tilly so we can all have a nice little chat. I'm gonna head over there now to check she's okay.
Allez.
I'll take his horse. He won't be.
Putain, il est lourd, l'enfoiré.
You have the first idea what you're getting into.
Là, je paye le mec qui... Le mec qui... Je sais pas, il se prend pour Dieu, là, il se prend pour un puissant criminel. Alors que c'est un vieux bandit, mec de la Cambrousse, caché dans une vieille maison miteuse.
Who are you running with?
She didn't tell you?
She didn't tell me nothing. This rope is cutting into me.
Tu vois, et il se plaint en plus. Dès que j'ai l'occasion de lui mettre un... Dès que j'ai l'occasion de le frapper, je le frappe, hein, ce mec. Oh, il a quand même fallu 3. Hein.
Here's your man.
Bring him here. Dump him on the ground here. I want to get a good look at this monster.
So he's still alive then?
Ah,
Yes.
You see this girl? You leave her alone.
she killed my cousin.
Your goddamn cousin had it coming, Anthony Foreman!
I don't care if she shot your daddy and cooked your mama for breakfast. She's mine. She ate yours.
You know, a friend of mine, he always says, revenge is a fool's game. Now, you want Laura's dead. She had her reasons.
We was family, Tilly Jackson.
You Foreman boys ain't no kind of family I want.
Kill him, Arthur!
You want that?
I want him to go away and tell the remaining of his cousins and the clowns he rides with to leave me alone.
Now, you think you can do that, Anthony? Or should I slit your throat and just save us all the bother?
I'll leave you alone. History is done.
History is never done. It's your call, Arthur. But I'd slit his throat. Go on.
Allez, j'épargne.
Let's get you home.
Now get out of here.
Bon les gars, on va s'arrêter là pour ce 12e épisode du Let's Play sur Red Dead Redemption 2. J'espère qu'il vous aura plu et moi je vous dis à la prochaine.